Good afternoon, students. So in the last class we have started with the geometric progression, and we have discussed about the nth term of a GP and sum to n terms of the geometric progression and the relationship between AM and GM. So in today's class, let us start with the exercise 9.3. In that, the first question it is, find the 20th and nth terms of the GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. So let me write the given geometric progression. So here 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, so on. Here this will be the first term, that is A. So here A, which is equals to 5 by 2, and we will have to find the common ratio, that is A2 by A1 or A3 by A2. So R, which is equals to A2 by A1. What is A2? It is 5 by 4. 5 by 4, then whole divided by 5 by 2. So simplify this, you get the answer as 1 by 2. So the common ratio is 1 by 2. Now we will have to find the 20th and the nth term. What is the nth term of GP? It is An equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. So now 20th term, that is A20, which is equals to A into R raised to 19, 1 less than the number of terms. So now A20, which is equals to A, it is 5 by 2, and then R, it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 raised to 19. Now the power applies to the first numerator as well as to the denominator. So here 1 raised to 19 will be 1. So A20, which is equals to, you get 5 by 2 into, what do we get now? 1 by 2 raised to 19. So now 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 19, the powers will be added up now. You get 20. So A20, which is equals to 5 divided by 2 raised to 20. 2 raised to 20. So this is the 20th term. Now we will have to go for the nth term, that is An. And An, which is equals to A into R raised to n minus 1. So An, which is equals to A, it is 5 by 2. So it is 5 by 2. R value, it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. So now An, which is equals to 5 by 2. Then so here power applies to the numerator as well as to the denominator. 1 raised to n minus 1 will be 1. So you get 1 divided by 2 raised to n minus 1. So now 2 raised to 1 into 2 raised to n minus 1. Add the powers, plus 1 minus 1 get cancels, you get n. So An, which is equals to 5 divided by 2 raised to n. This is the nth term of the given geometric progression. This is all about the first problem. Note down this and then we will move on to the second one. Well, the second problem, it is, find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. So he says A8 equal to 192 and small r value, that is the common ratio, it is 2. We will have to find A12, that is the 12th term of the geometric progression. We'll write the given information here. Given A8 equal to 192. Given A8 equal to 192. What is A8? It is A into R raised to 7, which is equals to 192. So now Call this as equation number 1. So what do we have now? The other information, that is the common ratio, it is 2. Also common ratio andre small r agtare, it is 2. Common ratio, it is 2. Therefore equation 1 becomes a into, in place of r I will be writing 2, so you get 2 raised to 7, a into 2 raised to 7, which is equals to 192. What is 2 to the power 7? So you have to multiply 2 7 times. So it is 128. So a into 128, which is equals to 192. Now take 128 to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. So a, which is equals to 192 divided by 128. So these two get cancelled in 64 table. 64 2s are 64 3s are. So overall it is 64 2s are and 64 3s are. A value will be 3 by 2. So with the help of A and the common ratio, we can find the 12th term. So now A12, which is equals to A into R raised to 11. A12, which is equals to A into R raised to 11. So A12, which is equals to A. What is A here? A, it is 3 by 2 and then into R raised to 11. That is 2 to the power 11 into 2 raised to 11. So there will be 2 raised to 1 now. Take this to the numerator, it becomes 2 raised to minus 1. So 2 raised to 11 into 2 raised to minus 1 will give us 2 to the power 10. So A12, which is equals to 3 into 2 raised to 10. So now A12, which is equals to 3 into 2 raised to 10 value, it is 1024. So 1024, 1024. Multiply these two with the help of the calculator, you get 3072. 3072. So the 12th term of the geometric progression, it is 3072. So this is all about the second problem. Well, the third question, it is the 5th, 8th and 11th terms of a GP are P, Q and S respectively. Show that Q square equal to PS. We'll write the given information. So here given. So 5th, 8th and 11th term, that is A5, which is equals to P, A5 equal to P, and then A8, which is equals to Q, and then A11 equal to S. A11 equal to S. Now, what is A5? It is A into R raised to 4. A into R raised to 4, which is equals to P. Call this as equation number 1. And then here A8 is nothing but A into R raised to 7, which is equals to Q. I call this as equation number 2. And then here A11 is nothing but A into R raised to 10, which is equals to S. Call this as equation number 3. So now I will take up the right hand side and at the end we will get the left hand side. So here RHS, which is equals to PS. And then right hand side, which is equals to P. What is P here? P is nothing but A into R raised to 4. Then into S is nothing but A into R raised to 10. So now right hand side, which is equals to A into A will be A square, and then R raised to 4 into R raised to 10 will be r to the power 14. So now this can be written as right hand side, which is equals to a into r raised to 7 the whole square. ಬರಿಬಹುದೇನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಟು ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಇದೇ ಟರ್ಮೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಆರ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು 7? a into r raised to 7 is nothing but q. So here right hand side, which is equals to q square. So overall we have proved q square equal to ps or ps equal to q square. This is the required LHS. LHS. So ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೀವು LHS ತೊಗೊಂಡು RHS ತರಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. RHS ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ LHS ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So this is all about the third problem. Well, the fourth question it is, the fourth term of a GP is square of its second term and the first term is -3. Determine its seventh term. So let us write the given information. So here he says the fourth term of a GP is square of its second term. So given the fourth term, that is A4 which is equals to square of its second term, that is A2 the whole square. Is that clear? The fourth term of a GP is equal to the square of the second term, and then first term is -3. So here A4 can be written as A into r raised to 3, then which is equals to A2 is nothing but AR square, AR cube, and continues. So here A2 will be AR the whole square. So now A into r raised to 3, which is equals to, here we get A square into r square. So now here A and here one A get cancels, here r square and here r square get cancels, you will be having r. That means r which is equals to A, which is equals to, what is A here? The first term is -3. That means here both the common ratio and the first term is -3. So now let us take up the next condition. Determine its seventh term. Now A7 which is equals to A into r raised to 6. Then A7 which is equals to A. What is A? It is -3. -3 into -3 to the power 6. So overall in the next step we get -3 to the power 7. There will be 1 here. A raised to m into A raised to n will be m plus n. So overall A7 which is equals to -3 to the power 7. -3 to the power 7. This will be -2187. A7 which is equals to -2187. So this is the required seventh term of the geometric progression. This is all about the fourth problem.